Hello, I'm joined today by Muhannad AlAbweh on the Infovista stand at Mobile World Congress. Hello.
Hello, yes.
Yes, I mean, Infovista, you've got a range of expertise, haven't you? Network planning, network testing, service assurance. Maybe just give us an update on each of those areas.
Yes, absolutely. I mean, as you know, Infovista is an acquisitive nature company, and which allows us to have a very wide portfolio of solutions covering different network life cycles and different stages of the network operations, basically. We have in the planning, as you said, we have our 5G leading solution that is used by tier 1 operators. It helps operator roll out 5G networks. And we move, once you deploy your network, we have solutions that help the operators deploy and test their networks properly, focusing on the quality of experience. And then you move on, obviously, once you deploy your network and it's ready, we have the assurance and monetizing platform or solutions coming together, which covers the end-to-end lifecycle. Hence, in what we call a workflow of network lifecycle assurance, a network lifecycle automation, actually.
Yes.
Yeah. So, I want to focus on automation and breaking the silos of these solutions.
Yes.
Currently, these solutions are offered in vertical siloed.
Yes.
And we're trying to bring synergy and seamless integration between them.
Yes.
In what we call a use case centric approach. And that's the whole concept of our network lifecycle automation.
Yes.
Our areas of expertise always focus on the quality of experience, where we want to make sure that we deliver the optimal quality of experience over these critical networks through this automated use case under the NLA platform, basically.
Yes, and you mentioned obviously network lifecycle automation. It's very important, isn't it?
Absolutely.
I mean, so Infovista, maybe tell us about how you're innovating on NLA for next generation networks, and of course 5G.
Focusing on 5G, yes. So the whole NLA concept, as I mentioned, it's basically just breaking the silos of these verticals of solutions that are coming together. This breaking silos brings efficiencies on its own, right? It brings reduces OPEX, it increases the efficiency with operator perspective, you enhance the workflows, and eventually you reduce OPEX.
Yes.
What we're bringing actually is not only this native data exchange between these solutions, but also the true promise of unlocking the 5G potential.
Yes.
So what is the 5G potential? It comes with increasing your ROI, delivering also in a virtualized, true cloud native platform. And that's the whole network lifecycle automation is empowered by a true cloud native platform, which leverages all the solutions that we have and provide this seamless integration between them in a very use case centric approach.
Yes.
So you'll find we're focusing obviously on what 5G has to offer. We're focusing on unlocking the true potential and helping mobile operator get their maximum return of investment when it comes to taking and adopting Infovista solutions to help them roll out their network.
Yes, and you have a new solution, well, a few new solutions, and one of them is in Barcelona, isn't it? It's called Smart Capex.
Yes, absolutely.
Tell me a little bit more about it and how it fits into the Infovista vision.
Yes, so Smart Capex, we're very excited actually to bring Smart Capex as a unique solution to Mobile World Congress. What Smart Capex is in a nutshell, it's actually a solution that helps mobile operators launch their 5G networks with a maximum return of investment. So it's an AI ML forecasting model, forecasting and planning model that actually creates what we call a digital twin, a geospatial digital twin, and leverages live network data to give you translate basically the network technical KPIs into what we call business KPI, right? So you enhance the prediction of the business KPI, whether it's your total cost of ownership, whether it's your churn, whether it's your revenue or your potential return of investment.
Yes.
What it empowers and enables, it provides this what-if scenarios that actually allows operator to simulate a growth traffic model and unlocking the areas where you have potentially the maximum ROI.
Yes.
So instead of just going and rolling out your network without any focus and prioritization, we provide prioritization based on the maximum return of investment, focusing obviously on the quality of experience from our perspective.
Yeah, ROI is always important, of course. And there's another product solution, automated SSV. Now you've said this saves operators time and money.
Yes.
Please explain.
So the SSV actually is with the new network 5G rollouts that are happening, the whole single site verification is becoming a need again. However, it comes with its own challenges, which is, as you mentioned, is cost and money. So operators want to make sure that they deploy their 5G network, they roll out in a very timely manner, and they make sure that they reduce their OPEX when and make sure they have the right efficient solution.
Yes.
So the automated single site verification solution that we're bringing not only centralizes, let's say, the whole workflow and operation that you need to collect your data, it increases the efficiency of handling the team, making sure the expertise actually sit in the background, because you're automating the data collection, which consumes lots of manpower, consumes lots of time, because it's a manual process somehow. And the automation that we're bringing, it also leverages the input from the planning data.
Right, okay.
So that's a unique positioning that we're having. Leveraging the NLA platform, you take the planning data, you create a use case which we call closed loop planning and testing. In our actually patent pending drive testing, precision drive testing, I would like to call it.
Yes.
Which takes the planning input into consideration and creates optimized routes and optimized workflows for the end team to make sure that they're actually saving time in discovering the optimal sweet spot locations when it comes to unlocking the maximum potential from a performance perspective of that site. So that automation leverages the workflow and leverages other data networks to complete that, reduce efficiency, increase the efficiency, and reducing OPEX from customer perspective.
So you've got new solutions, NLA solutions. How do they complement your existing NLA product portfolio? Is there some harmonization, evolution going on?
Yes. So again, we'll touch base on the point that our products, how they're handled in the market or by our customers, is in a siloed verticals, right? Yes. So the whole idea of the NLA platform and approach is actually to break these silos. So the use cases that we're bringing here, which is smart Capex, automated SV, and we have the 360 assurance as well, is more of empowered by the current NLA products and portfolio that we have. So in a way, you're creating a cloud-native platform for these solutions to leverage a native data exchange between them, allowing operator to create this unique use case positioning and that Infovista has. And it helps operators focus on the business impact and the business KPI rather than just on the network performance. Obviously, all revolves around the quality of experience from our perspective, making sure customers deliver and receive that optimal quality of experience, leveraging this use case. So NLA elevates our positioning, leverages the current portfolio, and create this new use case approach that we're having in a cloud-native platform as well.
Well, thanks, Muhannad, for these very detailed and informative answers.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Excited to have you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.